it off. 2 more screws and the heat shield will come off completely. Yeah. Instead of removing the tube completely, I think that's a better option. It's weird because it looks like it has enough room to come out. Oh, yeah, I'll fix that later. Maybe I'll try one more time. Wouldn't break anything, of course. Yeah, comes out. Yep, air mass meter right over here, and the other one can't see, but could be a second one. Weird. Temperature sensor for sure. Maybe I think air mass and temperature, but something else because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins, and right over there 4. Yeah, or they all have a separate power and mass, could be. That hurts. I'm gonna put this one safely over there. Put in the screws. Put them back in. So these little ones up right over here. The other ones get promoted. They move a spot. So no screws for the heat shields. They can all stay in place. Looks like they have been removed a couple of times. Yep. Yep. Fixed. Gonna put it this way so the air filter doesn't get dirty. Yes. I'll put this back just for the ease of work, ease of access. And there, that's out. And this is out because we will have to remove the cat. So this is the sensor, lambda sensor for the cat, and that's the next step. I think. So all the plugs, this and that plug, lambda, the lambda plug must be disconnected, or we can screw the sensor out. Looks like a brand new one. And then disconnect the exhaust pipe from the turbo. This is your turbo right over here. The oil lines, oil feed, return line, and this needs to come off. And looks like I will be needing a new gasket for this. Yeah. Way to go. So we can take this one off, unscrew it here, but you could break it. I'm gonna feel for it, and it's easier to just lay it here. Else we have to disconnect, follow the line, and disconnect it over here. Also an option. Yeah. This is a very long one. Oh my god. Yeah. That's also an option. What's easier? disconnect the connector, and then it's just laying here. I'm gonna just take this out. Yeah, a little better, I think. So this looks like 21, 22. Just gonna feel it. Feel for it. Most of the time it's 22, I think. Yeah, 22. So let's check it out. Yeah, 22. Yeah. I thought it was easier. It looks like brand new, so yeah. Okay, don't twist your cable too much, but I think it will be alright. Yep, look, nothing special, not a lot of thread. Don't forget to, it's fixed, so don't lose this. It's impossible to lose it. So, now we need to disconnect these bolts. Hit them with some WD-40 penetrating oil. So 2 easy bolts and one that's a little bit more difficult on the bottom side. So yeah, let's do that. Just the image, right? Oh, first, if you can, clean them up a bit. I have a little mini brush or this one. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Gasket is falling apart. And the blue one will be with the mini brush. Oh, you do whatever you can. If it's just a milligram of a microgram of filled rust that comes off, you're already winning. Yeah, that won't be much, but whatever. Everything that makes life easier is good. Yeah, so it looks like 19 perhaps. Check it out. Oh no, 17. Yep, 7. Let's make sure it's not a 16. Nope. 17 it is. Alright. Let's feel for it. This is if you're lucky enough, the threads won't be moving.